Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Fajr Food Village. Today's recipe is gonna be liver recipe. This recipe is so easy, so let's get started. First of all, we're gonna add is 1 cup oil. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. And then we're gonna wait until it sizzles. Over here we have is 2 small onions. Now we're gonna add it in. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. And then mix well. At least for 2 or 3 minutes. Just mix it slowly and gently for 2 and 3 minutes. So our onion has been pink light. Now we're gonna add is 1 whole garlic. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. And mix it gently and well. Just like this. I hope you enjoy this recipe and please try it with your family. We're gonna mix it just for 1 to 2 minutes. So it's been 1 to 2 minutes. We have is 1 tablespoon dry coriander, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon mixed masala, and half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon haldi. Now we're gonna add it all inside. Bismillah Rahman Rahim, and mix it well. We have to mix it really well so the masala can stick with the onion and garlic. And then we're gonna add is half cup of water so the dryness of the masala can go. Bismillah Rahman Rahim, and mix it nicely. We're gonna mix it about like maybe 2 to or 4 minutes, but we have to mix it really gently. This is a really easy recipe and tasty recipe to make. Now we're gonna add is laurel leaves. It depends on you how much you want to add. We're adding just the small pieces of laurel leaves and mix it gently. You have to mix it like a little bit until it starts to sizzle, just like this. And then now we're gonna add is the liver. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. And then slowly mix it slowly. Do not mix it really hard. Just mix it really slowly. Just like this how I am doing. You need to do like that. We are just gonna mix it like this. My father is helping it. So just keep watching it, and I hope you enjoy this video, and please watch our video till end. Just like this, as you can see, it's kind of hard for me to mix it, so my father is helping me. And mashallah, it smells so good and so tasty. It's like a mouth-watering dish and it's so easy to make. Now we're gonna add is tomato. This is like 2 small pieces of tomato that we cut it, and then now we're gonna add it in. Bismillah Rahman Rahim, and then mix it slowly, gently. It depends on you how much tomato you want. Just mix it for at least 2 to 5 minutes, just like that. Now we're gonna add is red chili. It depends on you how much you want to eat, how much you want it to be spicy in it. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Now we're gonna mix it. We're just gonna take 4 to 5 pieces because we don't like that much spicy. Now we're gonna cover it for 3 to 5 minutes. Bismillah. And then now we're gonna wait. So it's been 3 to 5 minutes. Now we're gonna open it and let's check. And then now we're gonna add is 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Just like that. And then we're gonna mix it. We're gonna mix it slowly again. This tastes, mashallah, so good and so tasty. My father is gonna help me because it's really hard me to mix. Just like that, you can serve this cooking with your family, with your friends, with your cousins, with anyone you want. It's like a really simple, easy. This can make only 15 minutes and it will be ready. And then this is like the simple recipe ever. So please try it out. Now we're gonna add is this half tablespoon of magic syrup. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. And then we're gonna mix it. This is a kind of salt, but it makes better. If you're like adding it to anything, like for example vegetable, biryani, or anything you want, you can simply add this in the end and it tastes amazing. Now we're gonna add is mulungai chopped leaves. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. As you can see, just like that. You can also take coriander, but we are using mulungai chopped leaves. This is also really healthy and really tasty. Now we're gonna mix it nicely. This is just like coriander, so you can choose like anything. If you want coriander, you can add coriander. If you want mulungai chopped leaves, you can add that, or anything you want. It depends on you how you wanna eat yours. We're gonna mix it for 2 minutes only. Now we're gonna add is green onions. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Just like that. You can add green onions if you want to, but we want to add it because it tastes so good with green onion. It depends on you if you want to add or not. Like for example, we added mulungai leaves. If you wanted to add that thing, you can also add that thing. Mashallah, our dish is ready. Now we're gonna dish it out. So our liver recipe has been ready. I hope you enjoy this video. Please watch till end and please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button and hit the like button. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and tell me in the comment section down below if you like this video. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe everyone.